Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you. So today we are going to learn one of the subtopic from Calculus 1, which is the application of differentiation. So what is differentiation? Differentiation is a process finding function that outputs the rate of change of a variable from another variable. Actually, we can solve in real life problem with the application of differentiation. So let's learn something new and solve a problem. Let's go.
Start with me again. We have learned a little bit about differentiation. So this is the example of the question. Let me read the question. Cik Ahmad wants to make a cylindrical can that can hold 300 pi centimeter cube of syrup. Find the surface area as small as possible so that only cost Cik Ahmad as low as possible. For the first step, we at least gonna find two formulas. So which formula is gonna use? Has given us the volume of the cylinder. So we are going to use the volumes of the cylinder. And for the second question, we need to find the surface area of the cylinder. The first equation is the volume equal to pi r square times by h. And the second equation is surface area, which is 2 times pi r square plus 2 pi r times by h. So how to solve the formula? By using the information given. First, we know we already given by 300 pi centimeter square for this volume of the cylinder. So then we just need to put it in the formula, in the volume formula. So we gonna find 300 pi equal to pi times r square times by h. So we got h equal 300 over r power of 2. Surface area formula, which is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r times by h. But we already got the h, so we just only need to substitute the h into the surface area formula. So a surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus 600 pi r power of negative 1. So let's move to the second step. The second step is we need to find the differentiation of the formula. So the differentiation of the formula is equal to 4 pi r minus 600 pi r power by negative 2. Differentiate the formula. The differentiation is simple. We just need to times the coefficient with the power of the unknown, then minus the power of the unknown by 1. Equation, we need to compare the equation equal to 0. Equation is 4 pi r minus 600 pi r power of negative 2. So when the equation is equal to 0, we can solve the problem, and the final answer is the r equal to 5.333. We have already got the value of the r. So we need to find the value of the h, which is h. So we just need to substitute the r into the h formula. So we have already got the h formula, and we got the h equal 10.62 centimeter. We got the h equal 300 over r power of 2. So we just need to substitute the r equal 5.313 into the h formula, and we got the h equal 10.62 centimeter. We have already got all the information that we needed. So the second question is we need to find the lowest or the minimum value for the cylinder. So we need to find the max or minimum value for the cylinder. First, we need to do the second derivative. So when we got the first derivative is equal to 4 pi r minus 600 pi r power of negative 2. So the second derivative is equal to 4 pi plus 1200 pi r power of negative 3. Already got the second derivative from the formula. So we just need to substitute the r again into the formula. So when the r is equal to 5.313 and the second derivative formula is equal to 4 pi plus 1200 pi over r power of 3. So we just need to substitute the r into the r power of 3, and then we can get the answer 4 pi plus 8 pi. Then we can get the final answer is equal to 12 pi. When the value of the second derivative is greater than the 0, so we got the value of the second derivative is equal to minimum value of the cylinder. So we have already got the answer from this question. So that's all that we need to solve this question, and that's it. Step that we have done, we can get the solution from this question. So the Cik Ahmad want to find the surface area as small as possible. So that means is want the minimum value from the for the cylinder that only cost Cik Ahmad as low as possible. So we know the answer is 12 pi. So we just need to follow the step to solve any differentiation problem that we face.
So today we have learned the application of differentiation and how to solve in real life problem with this application of differentiation. We found that some people are having a trouble to solve their calculus or the application of differentiation problem. So we make this video to ease people solving their problem. So we hope our video might be useful for you and for everyone that watching our video. We have reached to our end of our video, and don't forget to hit the like buttons and subscribe and click the bell notification. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself?